Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, BookTube Aesthetic. In today's video, I'm going to be convincing you to read the Shatter Me series just by its quote, part 4. Make sure to know there are going to be spoilers ahead. This is the first quote. In this quote, Warner is eating a cookie with a knife and fork. I found this scene really funny. That's why I highlighted this. It's not that important, but it's really cute and funny. The next one is one of my favorite quotes ever. It says, "Idiots are highly flammable, love. Let them all burn in hell." This Aaron says to Juliet when he is talking about idiots. And then this is when Warner and Juliet were having their little moment. And then she says, "I love you. I love you." And I just found that so cute. I had to highlight it. I wonder if she knows that I would do anything for her. I was reading this chapter and I suddenly found this and I was so surprised. Like, this is so cute. I wish she would know that. And then this one is, "It's so nice to finally meet Warner's girlfriend." Oh no, sorry, I meant ex-girlfriend. This Lena says to Juliet. Lena is one of Aaron's ex-girlfriend, if you didn't know. And then, being the savage that our lovely Juliet is, she says, "You can call me the Supreme Commander of North America." Like, come on, girl, that's such a big slay. Love Juliet for that. And then this is Aaron and Ella. So you guys, those are all the quotes from this book. And this video is going to be really, really short. But I want you to know that Aaron and you, if you want to know why I highlighted this, I was done with the book. And in the end, there's such a big plot twist. I'm not even kidding. There's like a huge plot twist at the end. It may seem like there are not many quotes in this book and it seems boring, but trust me, in the last 20 pages, in the last 5 to 10 pages, the biggest plot twist happens, like the biggest plot twist ever. And I was so surprised at this. If you haven't read Restore Me, you have to read the end part. The end part literally blew me away because of the plot twist. And if you want to know, the things I highlight are the things I find cute or I have seen them on BookTube. But anyway, you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, then please like to my channel, subscribe, and then make sure to turn on the post notifications. You can share this video to as many people as you know. And if the comments are turned on, then make sure to comment any ideas or anything you have to say. If you want to read the back of the page, you can pause right now. But anyways, that's it, you guys. I hope you liked it. I love you. Bye.